Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to solve the problem number 5 in late code, which is longest palindromic substring. In this particular video, we have to find out the longest substring which is having a palindrome. Okay, so substring palindrome क्या होता है? Palindrome is कह सकते हैं string which is same from the left or right side. Okay, let's take example. This race car. Race car is a palindrome. If you'll read it from the left side, it will give us a race car. If I'll read it from right side, it will also give us a race car. Okay, so it is same as from the left or right side. Okay, so this is palindrome, and we have to find the substring from this particular string. So substring is what? Substring is a contiguous uh, character string which is in a contiguous manner. That's it. A sub part of a string having a contiguous manner, that is substring. Okay, so we have to find the longest palindromic substring in this particular question. So how are we gonna do this? We gonna first we gonna find out the brute force for this. Okay, so brute force is what? Brute force is we gonna find all the possible substrings for this particular string, all the possible substrings. Okay, then we're gonna find out which one is creating a palindrome, on that particular list of substrings. Okay, let me show you. Okay, if we are having, let's take a b c or a b a or d. Okay, let's take this. So this is our string. So let's if I'll take out all the possible substrings from this, so what are they? Single characters a b, then a, then d, and two characters um, a b, b a, a d. Okay, I'm writing it here. Okay, then three characters a b a, b a d, then a whole string a b a d. So these are the all possible substrings we can get. Okay, but which one is palindrome? This is palindrome. A single character can be a palindrome. Okay, this is palindrome, this is palindrome, this is palindrome, this no, this no, this is palindrome, and no one is palindrome. So which one is the longest one? Yeah, which one is the longest one? The length of this is 1, this is 1 1 1, and this is 3. This particular palindrome substring is having length of 3, so we will return this substring. Okay, this is here, this is our substring, this is my palindrome substring, so we have to return this particular string. So how are we going to do this? This is a brute force. Okay, this is the brute force, and this will cost us big of n square. This cost us big of n square, and I don't want to do this. I don't want my complexity to go beyond n. Okay, I want to do this in big of n. How are we going to do this in this? How? Let's find out. Okay, 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 again a b a b and d, let's take. Okay, so if I'll take this character, let's how do I explain to you? Okay, I got the agar. If I'm having race car. What we are going to get is, let me take a space in middle, then it will be easier to get. Okay, so if this whole string is a palindrome, okay, if the length of this particular string is n, so what is the half of this string? What is the half of this string? It would be n by 2, right? Easy. So can I say that if this one is equals to this one, if this half is equals to this half, then it is a palindrome. Okay, I can say that. Yeah, but there are two possibilities. Okay, there are two possibilities. Let's take it a b c c b a. This is also a substring, sorry, palindrome, right? If I take this in half, it is ABC, and if I take this in half, it is ABC. So n by 2 is equals to n by 2. Okay, this half is equal and this half is equal. Okay, there are two possibilities. What is different in this these two strings? The different is, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. The length of this string is 6. The length of this string is what? The length of this string is 6. 2 3 4 5 7 7, sorry, this is 7 and this is 6. If I'll do n by 2, it will give me 3. If I'll do n by 2, it will also give me 3. But so means this is equals to this one. How about this? I will leave this in middle. So I have told you that every single element is itself a palindrome. Okay, this is what it is. We are going to traverse the entire string from the middle of it. If this is my string, I will traverse from the middle. Okay, I will find the middle of that part. if अगर अगर वो पैलेंड्रोम है, ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि अगर हम लोग इसके मिडल से देखें तो उसका लेफ्ट साइड और उसका राइट साइड इक्वल होगा. तो हम ऐसे देख सकते हैं क्या? इफ आई एम हियर, I'll match this C and this C. Okay, they are equal. Okay, then I'll go A, then I'll go A. Okay, these are equal. If I'll go R, then I'll go R. Okay, this is equal. So this all is a palindrome. If this C is equals to C, there is no middle element. Okay, then I will match this C and this C. Okay, these are equal. Okay, this B and this B, this A, this A. Okay, this is a palindrome. These are two cases we are going to face. Let's run it in here. B. If I'll search for B, it will give me one length. Okay, no one is to the right, so it is not possible to get the substring. Let's find for A. B B are equal. Then I got no elements. I got element, but I can't check it for the left one. Okay, I don't have any left element in the left side. Can't match it, so it will be BAB. Okay, so this is my substring. Okay, then I'll search for B, or the length is 3. Okay, B, then I'll match this and this. Okay, same. Then I'll this and I'll do this. Okay, not same, so it will be my this. Okay, then for B, sorry, A, P, no, then D. This is the way we are going to solve it. Okay, let's do it in here. If I'll do this, I'll see here, okay, I'm not having here some, this is my string. Okay, then I'll do for B, I'll see here, okay, these are same, then I'll do here, then I'll do here. Okay, I'm having no string, no element here, so there is no possibility to get a string palindrome. So this is my palindromic substring. Then I'll do for this, I'll search here, okay, these are equal, then I'll jump here, okay, these are not equal, so this is the last substring we got. So this is the, okay, algorithm here we are going to design. So let's design it, let's write a code for this. Okay, okay. So first thing is we're gonna say that if s equals to null, then return, not null, sorry, s dot length equals to 0, return 0, return empty string, sorry. Okay, this is the condition, or then we will loop from int I equals to 0, I smaller than s dot length, or I plus plus. Okay, then I'll make two length. Okay, then I'll make two variables, length variables, where I'll store, I've told you that we got two possibilities, a b c b a and a b c c b a, where I'm having a middle element, single middle element, and where I'm having a pair. Okay, we have to find out, we have to look for both of it, both of these. Okay, we have to look for both of these what do you say, cases. So I'll take L1, where I'll pass, not L1, L1, yes, okay, take it, L1, or I'll make a function, what we call, what we gonna name it, palindrome. Okay, spelling is not right, let's copy this. I don't want you to call me noob or something. Okay, so I'll pass my string, and I'll pass I, and because I'm doing it for this. Okay, this is my, this is condition. So if this is middle, this is my middle. Okay, I'm doing it as a middle. Okay, I, this is I, and the second character should also be I. Okay, left or right should also be I, and the another one, I2 is equals to same palindrome, where string I will pass I and I plus 1. Okay, this one, if this is I, this is I plus 1. Okay, so let's design this um, public, what we have to return, I'll return the length of the string. Okay, int palindrome string s, and int left, take it left, or int right, so int right. Okay, so these are the parameters we are going to get. Okay, so what we're gonna do in here is we are going to increment if if my not if, let's do it iteratively. While um, left is greater than or equals to 0, I'm just checking the boundaries, okay, and right right is smaller than s dot length, okay, and s dot char char at left is equals to s dot char at right. So what I have written here, these are my boundaries, okay, so that I will not go index out of bounds. This is for that only, okay. And this is what, this is I'm checking the characters should be equal. Like if this is C, then left is also C and right is also C, okay. Then I will do what, I'll do left minus minus or right plus plus, simple. So left will be here, right will be here, okay. Then left will be here, right will be here, something like that, okay. Then what we have to return in here, return we have to return the length, okay. So right minus left minus 1, this will give me the return, this will give me the length, and what we have to do, um what we have to do, 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 if s, no, it will be good like this only, okay. Okay, let's, so we got the length L1 and L2 here, where we gonna uh, this is for this case and this is for this case, okay. And we have to find out the, or we have, let's make a variable start is to 0, int end is to 0, so that we can find out the substring for our from our length, okay. So if let's, and one thing more is here, that L is equals to math.max, where I'm going to find out the maximum one in from L1 and L2, okay. Maximum one between L1 and L2 will be the length, okay. We are going to get. So how are we gonna do this? If L is greater than, it's not start, end minus 1, end minus 1, not 1, start, okay. So अगर वो छोटा है, so what we have to do, start is equals to I minus, I'll tell you why I'm doing this, I minus L minus 1 divide by 2, and I'll put this in bracket, okay. And end is equals to I plus 1 or L by 2, simple. Not I plus 1, I plus, this is 1 or L, this is L, right? Yeah. And I'll return not here, return, and the substring s dot substring of what, start or end plus 1, simple. remove this. Let's run this. Error, error, error. Okay. Okay. Let's submit this. So this is successfully done. So what was this? You might be thinking, what was this? So we are finding the starting and ending index of our substring. Okay. So this line is doing what? This is subtracting the I. If my I is 2, then what? If my B is here and I got length of 3. Okay. So what I will do, I will uh, do what? I will do I minus 1. I'll decrement the I, because the starting point of this particular string will be from here, the decrement from the index of the how can I explain this to you? um how do I explain this to you? Okay. So if my index is here, then I will be 2. Okay. And I'm having a length of 3. Okay. Then it will give me what? 2 by 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So this will be the index, the starting index. Okay. It was hard to explain, but how would I say that? I was just finding out the starting and the ending window, ending what index. I'm decrementing I in here so that I can come back. I'm incrementing I in here so that I can go forward I times. Okay. Because I'm taking this particular I as a middle one. Right. This is the explanation. Okay. I'm taking the I as the middle. I is my middle element. So obviously, uh, I the length of we have to go I times backward, right, to get my substring. So to get my starting index, and I times forward to get my ending index, then I'll return it. And I'm doing I plus 1 in plus 1 here because the substring will start from the starting index, but the if I'll give the end, it will return me the if I want the substring of 1 2 3. Okay. Okay. How to this is hard. Okay. If I want the substring, this is 0 1 2. So I'll give 0 and 2 here, then it will give me this substring, right? ba it will not include this one. It will at the ending point it will what do you say, um, it will leave one index or what. I don't remember, but it will leave one index. Okay. So we have to increment one more index so that we can get this particular string. If I want this string, I have to give 0 or 3. If I want this string, I will give 0 and 2. If I want this particular string, I have to give 0 or 1. This is what it works like. So yeah, this is the code, and I think I have explained too much in this. Okay, see ya.